Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here today to do my weekly plan with me in my catch-all planner. This is an art cover, silver metal happy planner discs. Inserts on the inside are from my shop or Patreon, and I will be using the March printable dated insert that is available to Patron Plus members. So if you're not a Patron Plus member and you want these monthly and weekly inserts that are dated printables, join us over there at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic. But this is the insert that I'm going to be working with this week, so I'm going to go ahead and punch. I'm actually considering putting expander discs on this because I have things in here that I do not want to take out, and if possible I would like to keep the whole year in here. So I'm going to check the craft stores and see if I can find the expander disc. I'm not really a big fan of the expander disc, but I think if I have a lot of stuff in the notebook or planner, then it makes sense, and if I want to keep everything together. So I'm just going to take a few pages at a time. This is the ARC heavy duty punch, available at Staples, and this is what I use to punch for this. So let me make sure I'm punching the right edge. Yes, and I just have it set to junior size, which is half letter. That's also the closest size to A5. Let's see if I can do all of these at once. I probably should have split this in half instead of just grabbing a few. But as you can see, it does a great job, and you can do more than one page at a time, which is great. So what I've been doing is just adding the months in the front, so that way I don't have to flip through and all of that to get to my next month. So there's February, January, and then I'm going to put March on top. And again, I'm quickly running out of space in this planner, but I'll just leave it as is for now. Some things I need to take care of in the back. So, and I could probably take out all of this, but I really don't want to. Well, not this, but all of this. Okay, so enough fooling around with that. Let's go ahead and pull out the inserts that we want to work with. This is going to be the first week in March, March 2nd through the 8th. Let's set that aside for now. I also will be doing the prompt from the 2020 Scrapcraftastic Weekly Challenge. If you're interested in playing along with the challenge, join us over in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group to get all the prompts for the whole year. This week the prompt is Throwback. So that prompt is really open to interpretation. I've noticed that some people are doing things with an 80s, 90s vibe, or planning in a style that they used to plan in, or using old kits and things like that. So for my throwback, I am going to use the first printable stickers that I ever made. So here's the kit, and again, this was the first one that I put in my Etsy shop. The reason that I created this was that I was seeing a lot of planner stickers, but they all look like little kitty stickers, and I just did not feel right putting childish stickers in my planner. So I said I'm gonna make some grown woman stickers, and this is what I came up with. I posted this on August 30th in my Etsy shop. I was afraid to post it or list it because I was like, nobody's gonna want this, it's not that great, blah 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 blah. So I posted it like right before I went to bed that night, and I think the person that bought it, they purchased it at like at 1 something that morning. So when I got up the next morning, I had my first sale. So I was really excited, and then I really started to design printable stickers. This is the version of this kit that I made Cricut ready. So it is now available in a Cricut ready format. But I will also put on the screen how the original kit looks. And I still sell this kit in my Etsy shop and in the shop on my website at scrapcraftastic.com. And I'm not sure that I will ever stop selling it. I've thought about taking it down a few times, but I just can't do it. So anyway, I wanted to kind of give a little backstory on this kit and why it's a throwback. It was my first. So now that I've got that out of the way, let's get started planning. I have a lot to do this week. I have an appointment Monday, Tuesday. So the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 5th, I have things to do. So I don't even know how I'm going. I do live streams over on my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I don't even know how that's going to work out this week. We'll see. Okay, so I pulled out these washies to work with. I think they are a nice complement to the kit. So to start, I don't know. Maybe I'll run this washi across the top. Okay, I don't think I'm going to end up using too much washi on this spread because I have the strips that came with it. And I'm thinking I can use these in the footer. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Should I use my knife for that? That might be a better idea. Let's see if I can get on camera. It's not 100% neat, but it's pretty neat. Let's see. Let's put this little piece down here. I'm going to use these boxes for appointments. I'm going to come down a little bit and leave some room first thing in the morning for some other things. I better just come on down a little bit more. So I'm going to run those across since I have some extras, because this is the kit redesigned to use with the Cricut. And you wind up with, instead of, this is actually a one-page kit, you'll end up with two because of the limited space that Cricut allows for cutting stickers. So got room for my appointments. Tuesday, I'm going to put this down. Hopefully I can do my live after my appointment. So I'm going to put that there. And then I'm going to do another today for my live stream. Come on now. There we go. For Thursday. Okay. And then I'm going to do my Monday to-dos. Let's see, I don't know, this one is just kind of off for some of the boxes. So is this one. Okay. So I'm going to put that right there. And then I think I'm gonna run something under that. I'm gonna use, this was like my favorite sticker of all. I'm gonna put that on Wednesday. Then I'm gonna put this on Monday. That leaves me just enough room down there for the ballet sticker. Then on Friday, I'm going to use Story of My Life. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it at the top. So I'm going to use this one on Sunday. It's not cut quite right, but make it work. And let's say bye on Friday. I think I'm gonna offset it a little bit. Okay, let me go ahead and get my word stickers and note ballet on Monday. Put it over to the side. Wednesday and Friday. And maybe I need to move my to-do down a little bit. Nope, I'm not going to worry about it because it's going to rip. So this is Saturday. So Thursday is our eat out day. So I'm going to use one of these fast food stickers, even though it's been getting moved around a lot lately. But I'm going to use that right there. I'm going to do clean CPAP on Tuesday. I probably need to do that right here so it can be nice and dry. These stickers are from Crafting by the Pound. She has some really nice hand lettered stickers, and these are too. The hand lettered stickers are my favorites. You can use my code RACH15 to save 15% off your order, and it's craftingbythepound.com. So yeah, I really like the hand drawn, hand lettered stickers. Let's get a payday sticker. These are from Piper Paper Company. I do not have a code for them, but this shop often has really nice sales, so we should be able to get some good deals over there. So let's see, Wednesday for payday, Tuesday for laundry, do one of the shopping bags for Saturday when I'm doing all those errands. I've used her recently. I don't know if I should use her again. But since I have multiples of her, I think I will use her again. Okay, there were some little character stickers in here that I wanted to use. Coco shopping right now. She's a little big. We're gonna make it work. Then I'm gonna use her. Coco relaxing on Sunday. Let's get one of the smaller ones. There are two different sizes. I think I'll use this one though. Okay. So a lot of these are, well, that one is definitely a throwback, and so is she. So kind of mixed in some new with the old. So I'm going to use one of these laundry baskets from Made with Southern Love. I'm going to use the camera for my live stream days that hopefully I can get to. I'm going to use this workout sticker because it's cute. Let's see, let's spice it up a little bit with some washi and call it good. Okay, so that is it for this week's spread. Let's pop this back into the planner. So this is my throwback spread for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!